हेलो सर।
हेलो।
सर GS फाउंडेशन स्टार्ट हो रहा है 23rd जून से। आपको क्या लगता है व्हाई शुड समवन जॉइन इट?
Why should someone join it is because this will be amongst the most professionally managed course, and that is what a student needs. A student needs timely completion of all the courses, regular practice, and teacher who understands their needs and delivers to the best of their ability. And I can vouch from personal experience that all the teachers at LevelUp IAS are amongst the best for their subjects, because I have had the privilege to study from them when I was a student, and now for past 2 years I have been their colleague and I have seen their work ethic, and I can say this with utmost assurance that they will leave no stone unturned, and they will go the extra mile as far as the students' needs are concerned. They can be academic needs, they can be emotional needs, and whatever the students' needs, LevelUp will try to deliver it to the best of their ability in the most professional manner possible. I think that is the primary reason. Apart from that, of course, for a student, it is also important that all their needs are taken care at an affordable cost, especially when you are living in a city like Delhi. And LevelUp will be amongst the most affordable GS course, where no extra costs will be attached to students, except for optional. All other things will be provided to students inside the GS program only. So I think it's a golden opportunity. I wish when I started the preparation there was a course like that. It would have saved me few years of few of my attempts, I'm sure. But nonetheless, now that I'm selected, it is my responsibility to tell students to take benefit of this opportunity, and I'm telling them not only as their senior or officer, I'm telling this as a responsible older brother, that this course will definitely be amongst the best. Please join it, and if you don't like it, I can guarantee that you will be given entire amount of your fees back within 1 or 2 months. If you want to leave, you will not be charged. That is also guaranteed. And knowing Santosh sir, who is one amongst the most ethically upright persons you will ever meet, I think you should really consider joining it. And I will be the CSAT teacher, maybe in the recorded format, and maybe in some other capacity. But all other teachers, I can vouch that they will be amongst the best. I think that is the reason.
Thank you, sir.